If you're manually uploading product images one by one in Shopify, you are wasting hours of your precious time. Today, I'm going to show you the exact method to bulk upload hundreds of product images in minutes, not hours. First, log into your Shopify Admin and navigate to the products page. Here you'll see your entire product catalog. The key to bulk uploading is proper preparation. Organize all your product images into a single folder on your computer. Crucially, name each image file exactly the same as the product's handle in Shopify. For example, if your product handle is Blue Kitten Shirt, your image should be named Blue Kitten Shirt. This matching is how Shopify knows which images belong to which product. Now back in your Shopify products page, click the Import button located in the top right corner. On the next screen, click Add File. And instead of selecting individual images, you will choose to upload a zip file. Simply select the entire folder of product images you prepared earlier and compress it into a zip file. Compressing your folder into a zip file is what allows you to upload all images at once. Once you select your zip file, Shopify will begin the upload and processing. You'll see a progress bar. The time this takes depends on the number and size of your images. After processing is complete, go back to your products page. You'll now see that all your products have their new images attached, making your store look professional and complete in a fraction of the time. Start using this bulk upload technique today to effortlessly manage your product catalog and focus on growing your business.